Hello and welcome to our video on 5 amazing foods for strong bones and joints you should eat every day. As we age, caring for our bones and joints becomes increasingly essential. Calcium intake can help improve bone density and joint health by incorporating certain foods into our daily diet. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Our first food on the list is dairy products. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent calcium and vitamin D sources, essential for maintaining strong bones. Calcium is the primary building block for bones, and vitamin D helps our bodies absorb calcium more effectively. 1 cup of milk contains around 30% of the recommended. If you're lactose intolerant, or don't consume dairy, you can also get calcium and vitamin D from fortified plant-based milk, tofu, and leafy green vegetables. Next up on our list is fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation can lead to joint pain and discomfort, so incorporating fatty fish into your diet can help alleviate these symptoms. Rich fish nutrients are also a good source of vitamin D, which, as mentioned earlier, is essential for strong bones. Our third food on the list is leafy greens. Leafy kale, spinach, and collard greens are essentials for bone health. They are high in calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium, all of which play a role in maintaining strong bones. Vitamin K, in particular, helps regulate calcium is adequately absorbed and utilized. Our fourth food on the list is nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, chia seeds, and sesame seeds are excellent sources of minerals essential for bone health, such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. They are also high in healthy fats and protein, making them in the body and ensuring an excellent snack for those looking to maintain strong bones and joints. Last but not least, we have fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contain vitamins and minerals essential for bone and joint health. Fruits and vegetables are also high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet can help ensure that you get all of the nutrients your body needs to maintain strong bones and joints. And there you have it, 5 amazing foods for strong bones and joints you should eat every day. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can help improve your bone density and joint health, while also enjoying various delicious and nutritious foods. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness.